Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Today I want to talk on another topic. As a day trader, you would love to be trading every day. Understand? Because you have to make profits from the market, right? So, but today I want to share with us. There are times you don't need to trade as a day trader, and you can see on my screen some of them. Although I'm gonna go over to the chart to still show you some clear uh things you need to know, some examples of when not to trade in the market, not just during major news release, because when you are as a day trader, if you even trading or you have a trade running, even during major news release, you still be making profits. So not actually only um during major news release that you're now gonna be trading as a day trader, because you might have an open position and you are in profit. Even the news will help you to be more massively in profit. The news will help you to be massively in profit. Then another thing, when emotional or tired, yeah, actually this one works very well. If you are emotional about a trade, uh I don't want to lose my money. I really want to make profit. This one, that period, just chill out from the chart, or when the chart is not clear enough, just chill out, leave it, don't trade that day. When you're tired, don't trade, because why? You will not have that ability to put all in to analyze the chart and actually know what exactly you are trying to do. Then another thing, from there, say when market is too volatile or too flat. Yes, this one is another major point. When the market is flat, when the market is volatile, you don't have to enter a trade then. But like the market is moving so fast, it actually happens during news release. So you don't have to go and enter trade then. But if you have a running trade, the news doesn't matter. It will even help you to be more in profit. So let me just go back to the chart right now to show you some other major things you need to know. You understand? So that in major time you are not supposed to trade in the market, so that you don't lose your hard-earned money. All right, let's go over to the chart, guys. So my chart right now. All right, guys. There is on my chart. I'm on Popcar. This is a cryptocurrency. As a day trader, hence you have the right strategy to the market. You trade any market. So we're gonna be looking at both forex and cryptos. So, but we now wanna take a quick look at cryptos. So as a day trader, you trade during the day. This is a daily chart. So you can see that the market is to the upside. So what you'll be doing on this chart is what, to trade to the upside. But this is one of the time you will not going to be trading. This is a daily chart, and any candle here represents one day entirely. You understand? So this area is a consolidation, so you don't need to trade in consolidation market. You don't need to trade. There is another way to trade consolidation. You don't trade it the way you trade normal trending market. So this market is trending right to the upside. So the only thing you have to be looking for here is the opportunity to go long, right? But now look at what happened here. This day closed as a red candle. So since you see this in as a red candle, and this is a major point of interest, you understand? But the major thing you should note is the daily candle. The daily candle closed bearish. Now, are you going to go bearish? The answer is no, because why? This chart is trending to the upside. Right now, are you going to be entering to go to the upside? No, because this chart have given you a bearish daily candle here, that he actually want to do another thing. So it is possible that this market want to consolidate as he consolidated here around this zone. So when you see a daily candle close in opposite color to the direction, chill out and leave the chart that day. Don't after this the close of this day, leave the chart alone. Don't trade the next day. Leave the next day to actually stay close to show you what actually market want to do. If this the you can see we are in another day, which is Monday. So this actually is on Sunday, right? So this candle is Sunday candle that closed on red. So on Monday, you don't have to trade this particular chart again. Leave that chart alone and wait until this Monday candle closes to show you where the chart what the chart really wants to do this time around. Because do you know this is a daily? So when you switch this chart to maybe 1 hour or 4 hour or 15 minutes, it's a lot of candles. So it must have been clearing off people's account, hitting stop loss, because when you enter a buy here right now, is going to move and still come back to stop you out. If you enter a sell, it's going to move up, and so just leave that the next day alone. Don't trade the next day. Wait for the that day, which is this one is Sunday. Wait for Monday to close so that you know what it really closed. If it closed bearish, then you know that this market, maybe he want to correct down to this area. Another point of interest which is here, maybe he want to correct down to this area. But what if he closes bullish as an engulfing? If he closes as an engulfing, sorry guys, let me clear that. So if he closes as an engulfing bullish candle, it means that you're gonna the market want to really continue to the upside. Okay, let me show us another chart. Let me go to another chart. Let me find. I really want you to understand this concept when not to trade. There are times you don't have to trade the market. Okay, let me use this one. All right, so this is MFA and this is daily chart. So you can see here, uh, the chart is going to the upside, right? Chart is actually going to the upside, but it's not giving me all the whole candle. Let me use another one. Five. Okay, let's see this Bybit option. Let's use Bybit to see Bybit will give us, yeah. Because I know that it's not giving all the whole chart uh candles. That Binance own was not. So this is what happens with many brokers. So when you come to a chart and you didn't see many candles, go to another broker to check, because Binance is a broker, you understand, and by Bybit, they are brokers, although we call them exchanges. So if you are trading cryptos and actually you come to a particular chart, you are not seeing many candles, go to another exchange to, to see if you see another uh, many candles as well. So I've come to Bybit and you can see we have many candles here. So right now, when this market is to the upside, right, and whatever you have been looking for is a way to trade to the upside. Now there is a time you are not going to be trading. This daily candle, look at this daily candle. This happened on Thursday. So Thursday closed bearish. So what are you going to do? Wait. Don't trade the next day, which is the next day is what? Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. You can see everything here. Look at the days running here. So now this one is Thursday. So after that Thursday, you don't need to trade on Friday, because why? You need this Friday to close. If the candle closes, because this guy moved 1 2, so it's actually heading to the upside. But on Thursday, that means Tuesday, Wednesday moved were heading to the upside. Now, but on Thursday, the market put up a bearish candle on the daily. So what are you going to do? Leave the chart alone. Don't trade the next day, which is on Friday. Wait for that market to close Friday's candle so that you actually know what the market really wants to do. As you can see, Friday now closed as what? As a bullish engulfing to the upside. So that is a clear opportunity for you. That is a clear indication for you he have given you the information that no, I'm not correcting back down, because assuming he closed bearish, assuming Friday closed bearish, it means that we're gonna be correcting to this area. So, but he didn't close; he closed as a bullish engulfing. So this telling you, guy, I'm continuing to the upside now from Saturday, because you know crypto trades every day. So from Saturday, you now start looking for opportunity to the upside. Assuming you entered on Saturday, you can see Saturday, Sunday, Monday, you are in massive profit. You understand? So, but what if you saw this yellow red candle on Thursday and say, hey, the market want to correct, and you go and enter a correction for a south, it's gonna come and sweep you out. What if you enter for maybe a buy on that same Thursday? Look at what happened. Look at it. So it's still going to stop you out, except you are entering around here, of which you might not get this opportunity because you don't know what the chart wanna do. The next action the chart wanna take. So when you see this kind of thing, you chill off. Leave the market to close the next day so that it will show you where he really want to go next. All right, let's go to I think let's go to I've actually given you some clues here. So let's go to Forex right now. AUD. I just wanna use AUD card. I wanna use some markets that is very clear. Let me use FSC. So right now I'm in AUD card. We're still gonna be looking at gold. So when the market is like this, you know what to do. Allow the market to break out from this range. The market is in a range because you can see we are moving to the upside, but we are in a consolidation right now, so nothing to be done here. We don't trade during consolidation period. So, but if you can notice as well here, you see that this market it closed as bearish. So you don't need to trade the next day because you don't know where the chart is going. It didn't even close as a bullish engulfing. So leave the market. This one closes as a but it's in a consolidation. So until we break out of this consolidation, then we can now say okay, we are heading to the upside. But if you look at today, that is a Monday, the chart is actually moving to the upside. So possibly if this Monday can close bullish and as an engulfing bullish candle, it means from tomorrow we'll start looking for opportunity to go to the higher side on this chart, and our target should be to the upside. You understand? Because the actual movement have been to the upside. So we're waiting for this consolidation to be broken, and then we'll now find our way to the upside. What if it closes as bearish candle? We still wait until this consolidation is cleared off. All right, guys, that is it on this one. Let's go. Let me check gold. I don't want this video to be long again. Let me check gold. Let's see this one. Check gold. um okay, you can see that gold is also on a consolidation. Let me show you. So gold have been to the upside, right? But currently we are in this area. We are in consolidation, and this market closed bullish now because it have been to the upside. It closed as a bullish candle here, but due to the consolidation area, you don't need to trade because look at what happened next. It closed as a bearish, telling you I am in a consolidation right now. It's trying to move to the upside. So if by tomorrow, after today, by tomorrow, we're able to clear off this area of consolidation and the market closes as a bullish engulfing, then we'll continue to the upside. All right, guys, this video is getting long. I will just want to pause it here. All right, guys, I hope you understand the tricks and the days you don't have to trade. All right, see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.